Steve from Ski Coach Online. In this video, we're just going to have a quick look at how you can stop for the first time if you've never stopped before. So if you're standing here, okay, and you're sliding in your skis, if you've got your triangle, there's two things that can make a structure stronger. You can widen the base of support, or you can lower the center of gravity. Okay, if you do those two things, they actually help you to stop. Because if I'm really tall like this, there's only so wide I can go. If I bend my legs, okay, it gives me more space to get my feet out to the side, which will create a larger wedge, which will stop me in my tracks, which is good if that's what you want to do. So if you're having trouble stopping and you're in your triangle like this, just try to bend your legs more, lower your center of gravity. That will help you then. You'll be able to make your legs a bit longer out to the side. Okay, that larger base of support and a bit lower center of gravity will also make you feel a bit more stable. So try that out. Let me know how it goes. I'll catch you in the next.